Namaste to everyone. Welcome to today's class. So today is a kind of tutorial class. So when you are attending any yoga classes, you often heard these two words, Cobra and upward facing dog or upward dog. So when you heard this word, and then you automatically, your body start to go to the pose and you can do it, then come back to the next pose or next position. So that means you already know the pose, so you just, when the teacher even don't give the instruction, you can easily to go to the pose. But many of the people or students don't know what is the difference between the Cobra and up dog and how to do in a proper way. So in this video I'm going to explain what is the difference and how to do both. So before going to that, Cobra is a stand-alone pose. Also it comes with the sun salutation. That means the teacher can teach only as a pose, a Cobra. Also, when he teaches the sun salutation, the Cobra pose is already during the sequence. When it comes to the upward facing dog, mostly it's not a stand-alone pose. It's a continuation of the Surya Namaskara poses. Mostly this pose or this movement comes in Ashtanga Yoga or Power Yoga or a flow, something like kind of classes the teacher will teach. So first we'll see how to do both poses, then we'll see what is the difference. Okay. So first starting with the Cobra. So usually start with the stand-alone pose. So lie down on your abdomen. Okay. So when you are in a relaxed position, so first thing is you need to prepare for the pose. So first take your both palms below the shoulder and keep the elbows closer to the body. So the palms means not front, not back. Okay, so exactly below the shoulder, and then bring your feet together, toes pointing out, and then bring your forehead to the mat. So this is the position to ready to go to the Cobra. When you inhale, raise the head up and then shoulders slightly up. So from here, slowly raise the chest up, and if you can, abdomen up, but make sure the elbow is bent. You can bring it down this much or up, and then look up, stay for a few breaths. So here you need to check that you are not using the arms much, just supporting, but trying to use your entire back to stay in the pose. And then keep breathing. When you stay in the pose, you can observe the lower back and feel the how arch. Keep breathing and then try to look up as much as to arch the upper back. And after that, then exhale, bring the abdomen down, chest down, and then forehead to the mat. And then release the arms. Then cheek to the one side, relax. So this way, in a Cobra for a stand-alone pose. Okay. So the next is how to do the Cobra with the sun salutation. Okay. So I will start with the downward facing dog. So once you're downward facing dog, adjust the arms and legs. Then knees on the mat. Move the body slightly front and try to bring your chest between your arms, so the chin down on the mat, and you keep the hip up. Then we'll go to the Cobra. So bring your abdomen, hip down, and then move the toes pointing out, and slowly raise the chest, shoulder, head up. Then exhale, arms straight, knees up, and downward facing dog. Right. So this way you are doing the Cobra. So what is the difference between the Cobra stand alone and with the sun salutation? In the Cobra, when you do separately, you will stay a few breaths, 5 or 6, whatever the teacher teaches. But when you are in a sun salutation, usually you don't stay longer. Mostly 1 breath or 2 or few breaths, and then you just come to the next position. Because this sun salutation usually we do for warm up, so we just keep breathing in and exhale on every moment. Okay. So the next one is up dog. So as I say, usually done with the sun salutation. Okay. So again I go to the downward facing dog from here. So usually done with the Ashtanga yoga or other power yoga. So what we do is go to the plank and then Chaturanga, then up dog. So toes pointing out and then arms straight. Remember, knees up, thighs up. Only top of the feet touching and then palms touching. Then chin up and then look up. So only my palms and top of the feet touching, the entire body off the mat, and then chin up, arch the back, breathe. Then and exhale, hip up, come back to the downward facing dog. Right. So this is the way you're going to do the up dog. So you can notice that I don't stay longer because it's all in sun salutation. So just only 1 breath, inhale or exhale, you just go to the next position. So in Cobra, we use the back to come up and stay in the pose and come down. We don't use the arms much, just to support, and also legs just to relax and then support. But in up dog, you use the arms and the feet to keep the body up, at the same time arching your back. So you don't use the back much. Means usually you don't use the back. You just use the arms to stay and straight the arms and then open the chest, look up, and then go back to the downward facing dog. So this is the difference between both. And then usually most of the time when the student doing Cobra, usually they come like this, like up dog. Okay, and when they say Cobra, like this, they come like this. So this is not the right way. Even they keep the knees hip down, but not arms straight. Okay, so you need to keep the elbow bent. If you want to go more deeper, you use the back to raise the chest more up, not with the arms. Arms just to support the movement. Okay. So this is the both poses, how to do all these things. Okay. So how to know that you are doing Cobra or up dog? As you know that you're how to use the arms and back, but the main part is, as you know the name of the pose, Cobra is like a snake, and then up dog is a dog. Okay. So the snake don't have the legs. So what happened when the Cobra or the snakes, to raise up its head, it's used only its back or its the body to up. So no support with anything. So only use its support to up. So when you think the Cobra, you don't use the arm support, only use the back and the spine to raise up. Then when you use the up dog, so dog means they have 4 legs. so they can use the legs to stand up. Okay, same thing, when you use the up dog, you use the arms and feet to raise the back and then arch the back, so using the arms and the feet. So when you think this, when you do the poses, it's easy to know how to do the pose properly and get the benefit of this both poses. So that's all about this video. So I hope you understand what it means, and then when you practice, then you will try to apply this and then feel the difference in both poses. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, and please like the video and also subscribe my channel, so in future I have the like tutorials and the classes. I will post the videos, so it will helpful for your everyday practice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you once again. See you on the next video.